Nursiman Abdureshid, is there anything else you would like to say before we bid you farewell?
First of all, I really want to appreciate all of you, and I just want to let you see my father. He is sentenced 16 years, 11 months, and my mother, 13 years imprisonment, and this is my elder brother. He's sentenced 7 years. And this is my brother. He was sentenced 15 years, 11 months for the crime they even didn't commit, because my family members always obeyed the law, and they always educate me, become a very good person and get a very high education. And they have no any criminal record, but they still arrested with millions of Uyghurs. So I really hope the world listen us and stop this ongoing genocide as soon as possible, because they are not numbers. They are my parents. They are my brothers. Thank you.
Thank you for telling us that, and we've read your detailed witness statement explaining the efforts that you have made on your family's behalf. So you'll be in touch with Mr. Sabi's team, and we wish you well. Thank you. Goodbye.